Trick or treat. Guys, DC have a lot of speed cameras, you know, so you have to be careful when you're in DC, you get me? Yeah, 25 miles per hour. Oh, can y'all see the Capitol building right there? Look at the Capitol. It's lit up. Who remember January 6th? Ha! That's wild. That would have been a sight to see though, yo. You know what I mean? If I was like in the era, I would have came like from a distance, see what's going on. All in the lights. But I wish you could have music. You know? Play some Jay-Z and Kanye. Some people say Kane. Bro, I wonder if y'all really seen that Capitol right there, yo. That's a thing of beauty right there, I ain't gonna lie. These guys got speed camera on every block. But for real, like DC remind me of New York. This got like a Brooklyn feel to it right here. But it's a much smaller, compact Brooklyn, you know what I'm saying? My boy jamming over there. What's good? Oh! Jam Dunk style Jamaican restaurant? Oh no, is they open? Dang, I don't know that was right there. Dang. Definitely gotta hit them back. I love this city though. I'm really from the country for real, for real. But I love this city, man. All them people on the wall right there. What did I say? Doobie Depot? The Doobs. The Doobs. The Doobie or the Doogie? What we talking about? I heard they had what they call them people out here? What they call them again? The Weekend Warriors. What they call the Weekend Warriors? Oh my God, they got a lot of scooters up here, mopeds. What them call the National Guards? I heard they had the National Guards up here. You know what? With that said, I need to swap modes for a minute. This guy doing right here. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, that's where I should be going right there. Oh no. That's my turn, but let's go straight. That's my exit. Going straight. That one goes through the tunnel though. Yeah, I should hit the tunnel for real. Innit? Let's go hit the tunnel, man. I don't know if I could bang a righty right here. Bruh, this telling me to make a U-turn. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. I can't hit the right. DC, that's DC for you, my guy. The IRS. Like oh, Iris. Oh, my bad. Ha! Bro, no way, bro. Man, the tunnel's all the way back here, though. I wanted to hit the tunnel. I ain't making a U, man. Come on, man. Reroute. Reroute. Stupid ass. Oh, see the Capitol right there, bro? Where the White House at? Let's go to the White House. Bro, why you want me to make a U though? Just hit the right. Get back with it on track. Here we go. Here we go. Ah, it's beautiful up here, ain't gonna lie. Where we at? Right here? Alright. need some pipes, bro.
Oh,
I need some pipes for the pops. Gotta have my pops. That downshift? Bruh, I need some pipes, bro. I ain't see nobody put no pipes on no Kia before, but I saw a muffler delete though. Wonder if that's the tunnel right here. Gotta be in it. Where's the Audi Field at? Audi Field right here. Oh, nope. I'm tripping, I'm bugging, fam. I'm bugging, what am I doing? What am I doing, cuz? Yeah, let's hit the tunnel, bro. It's like Sunday night, ain't nothing popping for real. Probably a soccer game or something. Is this a one-way right here? Oh, I think I know where I'm at now. Yeah, this gonna bring me like all the way to the Audi Field where the Washington DC soccer game is, right? Bruh, I keep forgetting them people. What you call them again? Does this say straight 0.3 right here? 0.3? Nope. What do you call them people again, man? National Guards. I keep forgetting their name, man. The National Guards. The Guards of the National, yeah? They probably like near the White House or something. I don't see. Out here is like dead for real. This is probably where like the offices, the IRS, those office buildings at. The important buildings, I would say. I don't know. I'm yapping. Quarter mile? What we got? Traction control. Quarter mile. Stupid. Them boys trying to get me, huh? You ain't know I know, huh? Oh snap, I missed my turn though? Hey yo, what are you doing, cut? Bro, I'm not about to get a ticket up here, fam. Hell nah. Forget that. See them boys in every corner. Look at this. This the second one. One was back there. Bruh. I ain't with it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yo, I need the pops, bro. I need the pops. Bruh. Oof. That downshift would have been crazy. That downshift would have been crazy. Is there a speed limit in there or what? Let me see where I'm going. 695, I think I know where it's at. It's that little lefty right there. Yes, sir. Do the loop-de-loop. Do the loops-de-loops. And then the Audi Field got the National Park, Capitol, whatever you want to call it. The other field is down there. The Capitol baseball field is down there. But like that's for real, for real. Once you hit here, it's like you're out of the city. There go the Capitol back there again. Yeah, but once you go here, it's like you're out of the city for real. So hell yeah. That's DC, baby. Welcome to my hood.
Oh, no, you did it about that.
Why? But little musteezy. That Mustang. What we got? Little E-Class. We out ski. Now it's looking busy out here. All these cars come from. I need a pit stop. I'm hungry. I didn't check if there was a game tonight though. MLS. Yeah. Next time we're bringing out the Bimski, my boy. The Bimskeezy. Oh, you know what? Should I go that way? Or should I hit it back here? It's Suitland. Where is bringing me? Andrews Air Force Base. Alright, let's go. Oh damn, that was my turn. Damn. My bad. Dang. 0.4. Where is that? See, I was thinking the other way. I think it's this one right here, isn't it? Bro, I can't see the screen for here, right here. Get in that loop-de-loop. That loop-de-loop. That's the stadium? Nah, the stadium is right by the bridge. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going the right way. The stadium, I think that's the stadium though. That Audi field. I mean, if it's lit up, then they got a game going on, innit? What time is it? Like 11 o'clock. That game would have been over. Hi, baby. Yes, sir. I don't think there's much to see right now. We're about to go on the local. So, the Sandlot over there. So y'all know what to do, man. Hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Stay locked in. The Mucha Yachty, man. We outside in the daily today. You know what I'm saying? Light drive on a Sunday. We got the Bimski coming out. Stay tuned for that. Yes, sir. Just got a fish bowl, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Thank y'all for checking in, man. Respect, man. Much love, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the other vlogs, man. Coming at you, man. We out.